Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today's video is on how to drive your car and how to protect your car from waterlogged water or driving through the waterlogged. Because it's monsoon season and there are a lot of waterlogged available on the road, and you have to pass through that. Never ever get into if the water is logged on the road, and never get into the water dashingly. Never fight with the water. Take your car and go with speed. Make sure you are in first gear, number one, and make sure your leg is on the accelerator, and you drive slowly into the water. And you will keep on racing, and you will be driving through the water. So you will come out of the water very safe. Make sure your insurance is having a protection called Engine Protect. This is a must for your insurance. And see if the water is logged on the road. See other cars passing. How much is the water filled there, and which side it is low, which side is high, and which is a better way to go. So see that where the full tire is not covered with water. Go through that area, keep a distance with each car, and don't race. You should go with minimal speed, keep on accelerating, and go through the water. That is the best way to do. In fact, if you find a lot of water logged, if there is another route, you can choose the other route instead of passing through the water. And for example, for any reason, the car got stuck in the water, please don't start the key again. It will not start because the water is gone in. It is going to damage your engine. Make sure you take 2-3 people help, push the car to the side and park it, and send it to the service station. These are the measures and precautions to be taken while you're driving in monsoon in waterlogged areas. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.